Hello and welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be installing the Cornerstone Rotary Safety on our Rigger 1022. I also have videos of this Picatinny rail and the Hogue stock. I'll put a link on the lower left hand side of your screen. This is an aftermarket stock. We don't have a barrel band up front, so we're going straight to the takedown screw. We're using a 5/32 hex wrench. Okay, now our stock should come right off. Now we're going to tap out our aftermarket cross pins. If you have stock ones, they've probably already fallen out by now. Note these aftermarket pins have a detent. Now that we have both pins out, we can take out the trigger pack. You'll note my setup is different than stock because it's completely custom, but installation is going to be the same. We're going to be doing some pre-prep. This is the internal drum component. You'll note that little dimple there. When we install it, it's going to go on the left side of the trigger housing. It's going to go on the left side of the trigger housing with the dimple up. Okay, we have the dimple facing this way. And we want our lever arm to line up with the dimple, just like that. Take our torque screw and our tool. We're not making it super tight, just snug. So this is the correct orientation. Now that we've finished our prep work, we'll set it aside. And our safety should be in the half mark position. And we're going to grip the safety on both sides. And we're going to spin it to get it loose off its little detent track. Now that that safety is loosened, we're going to take our new unit and we're going to push it out so it's replaced with a new. Now, we're supposed to do it in one smooth motion. Don't go halfway and then stop. Just with conviction, push it all the way through. And it pops right out. For some reason you do get hung up, you can take your Torx key, stick it down inside, and push and kind of maneuver it in. Now we're going to take the other lever. Again, we're snugging it down. Okay, now we have it in our fire position. This is our safe position. It's going to be intruding on the trigger. Now in order to put the trigger pack inside, we're going to have to remove the safety first. Start with the right side. Now the other side. Now both levers are removed. We're going to reinstall the trigger pack. Making sure this is faced forward. Taking our receiver pins with the ball detent up, Okay, let's put the receiver and barrel back into the stock. Tighten our takedown screw. Now we'll reinstall the levers for our safety. Both levers back on, and we're done. Be sure to visit my channel, check out all my full-length videos.